What's going on? So this video, we're going to be talking about the Edifier X3 Lites, which are a budget headphone, which actually have a provocative list of features that I want to jump into in this video. We're going to be going through the mic test as well as the sound quality. We're also going to be talking about the touch functions and also the battery life on these headphones. But if you're brand new to the channel, make sure you guys stay locked into the video. I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, well, salute. All right, so right now we're gonna be breaking down the Edifier X3 Lites. And so I have my hands on the gray pair. These are in-ear headphone for the form factor, and for the color, they're gonna be the gray color, but these are gonna give you that Bluetooth 5.3. They come in this packaging with cardboard, a little bit of plastic to house the headphones as well as the earphones. And you can see the case does have the Edifier logo above top. We get the Type-C charging port on the back, and they come in this nice matte material, which is gonna say Edifier on the top of it. And so the case is extremely lightweight and small. We also get your user manual and startup guide. You get your ear tips for allowing you to customize the fit. So in general, these are going to be well packaged, and they're going to give you a really good sound quality with 6mm drivers, which can deliver perfectly balanced highs, mids, and bass. And you're going to be able to hear them on the low end as well. These are going to give you that drum style headset with the Edifier logo on top, magnets on the bottom, and then you can see nice sized ear tips as well as, magnetic charging case, which is gonna hold these in place when you're actually going on commutes with these headphones and traveling. And so the case is very portable. It's actually very small, so it's gonna fit in a pocket of some jeans. It's gonna fit in any bag. And I definitely think that these are gonna be a really good pair of headphones for traveling. So if you are the type of person who likes to listen to your music on high volumes, these are going to be really good for that, because they're going to deliver on the high end as well as on the low end, but especially in the mid end, which is extremely important. And these are going to pack a punch when it comes to the bass quality. And as far as the magnets, these do have some pretty decent magnets, but they're not going to be the strongest in the entire world. But quick pairing process as far as getting these started. The LED lights will blink red when they're actually in pairing mode, but they'll stop blinking once they're actually connected to the device, and you'll just see a quick white light blinking on the headset, meaning that they're actually connected. And so through the Edifier app, you're going to get 4 EQs, which is going to be set for these headphones to be used presets. As far as the equalizer, you actually get the ability to customize every single button. And so I definitely like that part about these headphones, because it's going to give you the ability to change your touch controls to the ones that you see fit. And so Edifier is delivering an extremely affordable headphone with AI-powered noise reduction mics for phone calls. They're also going to give you a single mic with AI ENC, which enables clear voice capture, and it's going to reduce a lot of the surrounding noise when you're doing phone calls on them. And so what significantly enhances the stable connection is the Bluetooth 5.3 chip, which is going to give you enhanced transmission speed and performance, delivering a smooth and seamless experience when you're actually using these with one earbud or both. I like the Edifier widget because it allows you to quickly change the EQ mode you're in. And with the stable connection, it's going to be extremely good for listening to music as well as gaming. But one of the things that I did want to note is that you can change around the buttons and make sure that whatever button that you want to control each function, you will have the ability to actually customize it to your own personal preference. These also do pack a gaming mode as well. So the way I have these set up is that if I long hold the left earbud, I could quickly get to my gaming mode. And if I long hold the right earbud, I can get to my Google Assistant. I also set up volume controls so that the double tap will be volume up or down on either side, and a triple tap will be track forward and back. And so when it comes to the gaming mode on these, it's very stable and extremely precise, because the gunshots and every action will match the sound that is being heard very precisely. So I definitely think these are going to be a really good earphone for watching videos and consuming media, as well as gaming on here. The IP55 water resistancy rating will block against dust as well as low powered water jets. So you could wear these in the shower or in the rain or any outdoor environment where it's going to be, susceptible to water and dust. And so these are going to be good for that. They also fit very comfortably in the ear and manage to have a nice snug fit. The touch controls are extremely responsive and easy to get to. So that's going to be another thing that's going to add to the user experience, because you're going to get full control over the touch buttons and how they function. Edifier designed the X3 lights to be extremely lightweight during listening sessions. So when you have these earphones set in place in each ear, they're going to basically weigh only 4 grams each, allowing a lightweight feel, which is basically going to be blacking out a little bit of the environment with the passive noise cancellation. And it's going to give you an all-day comfortable fit, so that when you're listening to music, you won't have to worry about any ear fatigue.
What's going on, guys? So this is the microphones on the Edifier X3 Lite. So let me know how it sounds when I'm talking, and let me know how the microphones sound when I'm outdoors. There was a little bit of wind noise, so you might be able to hear that. I mean, I actually walk this way, so I might be able to catch like a quick breeze. But let me know what you guys think about the Edifier X3 Lights when it comes to the microphones on these, okay?
Edifier has been around for 27 years, and their professional team has meticulously been redefining the way we listen to music. And so I definitely can say that when it comes to the overall experience of using these, they offer an enjoyable experience, especially with the battery life. It's going to give you 6 hours plus 18 more when you have the case on hand. And so with the Bluetooth 5.3, you're going to be able to maintain a stable connection whether you change out each earbud or use them at the same time. You also do get app settings to customize the touch controls as well, and the 4 built-in EQ modes on the app, which is going to give you a better listening experience. With the mics, they're going to give you that AI technology, 60 seconds of low latency when it comes to gaming, and with the case and the earbuds combined, 24 hours of listening. And so I definitely think that Edifier did a thing here when it's come to the price and the performance, when it comes to the X3 lights, because they're managing to pack a punch at a really low cost. But let me know what you guys think, and if you're still here, just type I'm still here so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people, and watch another video on the left or the right hand corner, and I'll get right back with you later, group. Peace.